If you're wondering how to create your first partner program on PartnerStack, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step and show you how to set everything up so you can start scaling your business with the power of partnerships. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your first partner program off the ground on PartnerStack. Now, before we dive into the setup, you can actually use PartnerStack completely for free from the first link in the description below with some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. So, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to unlock all of this for free. All right, let's get started. To begin with, creating a partner program on PartnerStack is incredibly simple and user-friendly, making it an excellent tool for those new to the affiliate or partner marketing world. First things first, once you're logged into PartnerStack, you'll want to navigate to the Programs tab. This is where you'll manage and create all of your programs, whether you're looking to recruit affiliates, resellers, or referral partners. Next, hit the Create New Program button. Here, you'll get to choose from a variety of program templates, depending on what kind of partners you're looking for. Whether it's a direct referral program, reseller program, or affiliate program, PartnerStack allows you to fully customize these based on your business model. When setting up your program, it's crucial to define what kind of partner relationships you want to establish. You'll need to decide whether your program will focus on cash incentives, commissions, or other rewards, like free products or services. In PartnerStack, you can set the structure for payments and rewards based on the performance of your partners. For example, if you want to set up a tiered commission structure to reward high performers, you can do that with just a few clicks. Now let's talk about customization. PartnerStack offers a great deal of flexibility here. You can customize your partner portal with your branding, which helps maintain consistency with your company's look and feel. This is key for creating a seamless experience for your partners, and it only takes a few minutes to do. You'll also be able to set up rules, track performance, and manage payouts, all from one central dashboard. Once you have your program created, it's time to start recruiting your partners. PartnerStack makes this easy with a few simple options for outreach. You can send invites to your existing network, or if you want to grow your program from scratch, PartnerStack has a built-in marketplace where potential partners can discover your program. It's a great way to scale quickly, and the best part? You don't have to worry about managing payments manually. PartnerStack takes care of all that for you, automatically paying your partners when they hit the agreed-upon milestones. And here's a pro tip. To really make your program shine, consider offering valuable resources to your partners, like training materials, promotional assets, and support. This not only helps them perform better, but also builds loyalty and long-term success for your program. Now, you might be wondering how to track and optimize your partner program over time. PartnerStack provides in-depth analytics and reporting features. This allows you to monitor how your program is performing, track which partners are driving the most revenue, and identify opportunities to optimize your program for even better results. It's an all-in-one solution that gives you full visibility into your partnership efforts. Before we wrap up, remember that PartnerStack isn't just for large businesses. Whether you're just starting out or you've already got a well-established company, PartnerStack offers a range of tools to support your goals. Plus, with the exclusive bonuses from the link below, you're going to get even more value as you grow your program. So there you have it. Creating your first partner program on PartnerStack is that easy. If you're looking to scale your business and build powerful partnerships, this is the platform you need. Don't forget, you can start using PartnerStack for free today and unlock even more perks with our exclusive offer. Click the first link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.